Open Adobe Photoshop. Open the image you want to. Extend the background. Zoom it out and select Crop tool. Extend it to the left or right. For me, I will extend it to the left. Now select the Mark tool and make a selection in the extended background. Go to Edit and select Content Aware Fill. Brush the edges of the subject if necessary. Click Apply and then OK. This is the result and hope you like it. If this video helped you in your daily editing life, then please follow and subscribe to Jam Captures for more tips and tricks. Thank you so much.